You searched how to buy shares of Brown & Brown, Inc. Brown & Brown is an insurance brokerage and risk management firm traded on NASDAQ under the ticker BRO. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy BRO, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BRO to locate the listing. Select the result that shows Brown & Brown, Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the ticker BRO to confirm it is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same example, find the eToro link in the description below.